Your next question is, which is called the country of wheat? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is A. China. Your next question is, in which country is black tomato found? These are your options. A. China. B. Japan. C. Russia. D. America. The correct answer is C. Russia. Your next question is, which disease is caused by eating banana in large quantities? These are your options. A. Sugar. B. Cancer. C. Stone. D. Heart attack. The correct answer is A. Sugar. Your next question is, where is blue rose found? These are your options. A. Nepal. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is C. Japan. Your next question is, which part of the human body keeps growing from birth till old age? These are your options. A. Foot. B. Hand. C. Teeth. D. Nose and ears. The correct answer is D. Nose and ears. Your next question is, which bird is that which flies backwards? These are your options. A. Eagle. B. Peacock. C. Pigeon. D. Hummingbird. The correct answer is D. Hummingbird.